Jess with Planning Pod here, bringing you quick tips for event pros, and today we're talking room layouts. Now, the flow of your event as well as the comfort of both your attendees and staff are at stake when you're building a floor plan. So here are our quick tips for creating a space where your event can truly sparkle. First, you always want to have a seating chart for an event with more than 50 attendees. And wait to build out that seating chart until you have your RSVP or your registration list. There's no need to do double work. Now let's talk tables. A 5-foot round banquet table can seat 8 people optimally and 10 in a pinch. A 6-foot round comfortably seats 10, but you can squeeze a few more in there if you need to. Regardless of the table you choose, you always want to make sure to leave them at least 60 inches apart so that there's room for staff and guests to flow through the space. All right, we're gonna close it out with a really fun one. When you're planning the dance floor for your event, make sure you leave one 36 by 36 inch square for every dancing couple. And there you have it. We'll see you soon for more quick tips for event pros.